And coming out now, let's welcome the team from Shelton. They're directed by Nicole Mikulski, instructed by Cindy Graham. Their routine, All I Know.
Caution when it comes to love. I did, and you were strong, and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless and forgot I did. And now all is done, there's nothing to say. You have gone into effortless light. You are wanting to go ahead, tell them. Someone told me I should take caution where it comes to what I do. Tell them all I know now, shining from the rooftop, riding on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy, and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope could be impossible. I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution.